Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a page on Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe to YouTube channel. So first of all, open up Facebook app, then go to menu. After that, tap add pages and then tap add create. That's where we can start creating our page. To continue, tap add get started, and on the third step we need to name our page. We can tap at that field, then we can enter the name. Once we have done that, we can tap at next, then we can add a category for our page. We can add up to 3 different characteristics. We can choose any category from our popular categories just like that, or you can search for a category manually. Right from here we then select it. Once we have done with that, tap add create. That will create your page, and on the next step we will be able to quickly configure it. So we can add a bio for our page. We can add contacts such as website, email or phone number. Also we can add our location address, city and zip code. If it is necessary, we can also configure our or can just select no hours available. Then to continue, tap next. On the next step, we can add profile picture to our page. We can tap add camera icon, and then we can choose any picture from our camera roll, such as photos, profile frames, upload profile picture and color photos from your Facebook profile. I'm just going to tap add more next to Chrome roll. To choose a picture from my camera roll, we can select it that simply way, and then also we can in the same way select cover photo for our page just like that. After that we can edit action button. If we tap on it, we will be able to choose any option which we want to put in our action button. As you can see, message button is selected by default, so if anyone tap at that button, they will be redirect to our conversation with you on Facebook Messenger. But we can change it to WhatsApp button or to any other option from that list. Then we can hit at next and then save. That's how we can configure action button. To continue, tap at next, and on the next step we will be able to connect WhatsApp to our page. If you want to do that, select your country called, then after enter your phone number here and then tap at the get call. You can go through that steps or we can just skip the step. On the next step we can invite our friends to our page. If we tap add in white friends, it will show us to our friend list, and then we can just by check making that users which we should like to add, send them invitations in one click. I can just click mark multiple person and then say send them invitation in one click. That once we have done with that, we can tap at next, and then we have to configure if we would like to get notification from our page. We can turn on or off page info notification on our profile, and the marketing and promotional emails about our page. To continue, tap at it down. After that we will be redirect to our page because its setup is completed. So by this way you can create page on Facebook easily. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.